Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful technique that many successful people use but few truly understand. The power of visualization. If you've ever felt stuck, unmotivated, or unsure of your next steps, this video is for you. Visualization is more than just daydreaming, it's a mental tool that can train your brain for success and keep your motivation alive. So, what exactly is visualization? It's the practice of mentally picturing the outcome you want to achieve. It's like creating a movie in your mind where you're the main character, already living your goals. Athletes use it to prepare for competition. Entrepreneurs use it to build confidence before a big pitch. You can use it to boost your motivation and stay focused on your goals, whether personal or professional. Visualization helps your brain recognize what's important, activating your subconscious to start looking for opportunities aligned with that goal. It builds emotional connection and keeps your desire strong even when challenges appear. When you clearly see what you want and how it feels to achieve it, your brain starts believing it's possible. This belief generates excitement, clarity, and energy to take action. You no longer work blindly. You're pulled forward by a vivid picture of success. Instead of focusing on fear or self-doubt, visualization focuses your attention on possibilities, progress, and purpose. That mental image becomes a source of daily inspiration. Here are some simple and effective visualization techniques you can start using today. Vision board. Create a visual collage of your goals using images, words, or quotes. Place it somewhere visible to remind you daily of your direction. Morning visualization. Spend 5 minutes each morning closing your eyes and imagining yourself reaching your goal. What do you see, feel, hear? Be detailed and emotional. Future journaling. Write a journal entry from your future self. Describe your life as if your goals have already come true. This strengthens belief and alignment. Guided visualization. Use meditation apps or YouTube videos that lead you through the visualization process step by step. It's great if you're just starting out. Mental rehearsal. Before an important moment, presentation, interview, etc., visualize yourself succeeding with calm and confidence. Visualization isn't magic, it's a mindset shift. When you start visualizing your success daily, your brain begins to work with you instead of against you. You'll feel more motivated, more focused, and more connected to your goals. Try adding one of these techniques to your daily routine and watch the difference it makes in your energy and commitment. If this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more content like this, and comment below. Have you ever used visualization to stay motivated? I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you can see it, you can achieve it.